I just got to the office and it's a beautiful day, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Good morning.
Hi guys, my name is Mariangela, I'm 25 years old and I work for HSO since 1 year and 3 months. I'm a junior analyst and the department that I work for is called HSO Analytics. So as you can imagine, we do mainly projects related to analytics, so business intelligence projects, but also advanced analytics. I've studied as a data scientist, so my role is more connected to projects that are related to IoT, predictive maintenance, or customer lifetime values, which are really exciting and interesting projects to do. So I'm going to show you a little bit how it works here at HSO and how my job looks like. So, ciao ciao!
Today I met a customer in Rotterdam, and I'm very happy to be here because this customer is very nice and cooperative, so I really like to work with them.
So for the first customer, I had to prepare a code in R in order to actually make the prediction of when the machines are going to break. So this is the R code. And then I'm going to show the results in Power BI, which is our reporting tool. And here you can see that those are all the machines that our customer owns, and the red dots are the machines that are most likely going to break, while the yellow ones are the machines that are less likely going to break. So this was very quick demonstration of what I do, and it's not all of it because every project is different, every customer is different, every question is different, but it's very exciting. So I hope that you liked it, so that then you can join us and be part of our team. Bye guys!